Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can make reverse forward control with timer in Omron PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my CX programmer software, and here we will start a take one input address. For an example 0.0, I will take the start execution to the program, and next we will take one internal memory relay. For example W0, we will make it on for main control on off, and next we will take one holding contact of W0 and make latch with the latch by the W0. Because of one time we will push, after W0 will be on, and here open contact when using, after this will be go to latch, and one close contact we will take it here for 0.1, because of when we give the signal at I0.1, after our program needs to be stop. This comment we will replace stop. This will be start push button and this will be stop push button. So next, in next row we will take one open contact of the W0 and click enter, and next we will take the one timer. Go to the timer section, and here you can choose the timer, and address you can give the T0 for example, and time I will give, for an example 110 seconds I will give the time to start my reverse command or forward, any you can give the name. And in next row, and this W0 you give the name, and in next row we will take first this W0 because of this is our main latching relay of the control. This each and every line we will use the W0. And next one open contact we will take of this the timer T0. Open contact we will take of the timer, and we will make a one relay internal memory W0.1 for example. Oh sorry, delete this one, and here go to the instruction and sequence output, and you can make the set command and W0.1. because of this 0 we will choose for main, and this one W0s will be our main relay for the reverse command or forward, any you can choose. For example this we can give the name comment, also we can give the comment REW reverse motor, same like also we can type. Okay, this you can and see in the right side. This is our reverse relay W0.1. And next we will choose one more open contact here, W0 of the W0, and here we will take the open contact of the 0. This contact, sorry, we have to be choose close because of invert not, because of when this timer will be start after this is the on delay timer. This when this will be on, after this is will 10 seconds after this will be start the relay, and if we use the close contact, after this will be continuously on, and when time will be completed, after this will be stop. So this is our first timer of the reverse condition. So when this time will be completed and this reverse time will be complete, after this open contact when we are using of the timer T0, so we will make the next timer. Here an example, T1 we will choose. This timer T1 we will choose, and time we will give the H25 for example. Because of this is we have to be give the delay. If you like to give delay, okay, like to give delay, you can make the direct control, but I give the delay because of when any side reverse clockwise or anti-clockwise motor run, must be in between have to be give some delay for the another rotation start. So this will be delay for this the next forward rotation start of the motor. So when this timer will be start, so and here we will make it one output sequence output control reset. So this reset we will make W0.1 we will make for reset, because this reverse motor have to be stop. When this will be, this timer will be start, this out W01 that will be go to reset. And next what we will do, when this will be reset and this timer will be when started, after we use this open contact of this the T1. So next we will take it here. First we will choose W0 our main relay, and next open contact we will choose of the T1. Open contact we will choose of the T1, and we will make one next timer start. Find instruction, timer control, timer, and make it this one. This T1, now we will take the T2. T2 take, and we will take the H 100 seconds, 10 seconds of the timer. So when this timer will be on, after this timer will be start, and with this timer we will make one more relay on. Make it here, find instruction, sequence output, and set condition. Click OK, and this is W0.1, and now we will make W0.2. This is our forward relay. So also we will give the comment. We will give the FWD forward motor. So when this timer will be start, after this rotation will be start forward with after this delay. right? And when this will be set, and of this timer T100, sorry, T2, and this W02 will be set. And in next row we will choose first W0 relay, and after this this first take we have to be T2 of the timer. This will be make reset, find instruction, sequence output, and reset this one W02 W.2. This W0.2 make the reset, and here one more timer we will be start. One more timer we will be start. Find instruction, timer control, timer. T2 we used, here we used T3 and 25 seconds milliseconds we will make the for this delay of the again repeat the reverse for reverse motor. So when this timer will be start, after this timer of the T3 we use the close contact for this timer. Here we will take the T3 close contact for this timer, because of when this time will be completed, all this time will be completed, this T2 after this delay start for the reverse motor. So in next we will take it here, which we will use this one W0.1 and W0.2 W0.2 W, here we take first W0 and here W0.1, and output we will take for the 100.0, and same as in next we will choose W0 and also W0.2, that the forward motor relay, and output we can take 100.1. This is our reverse motor, this is our forward. So almost our program is now completed, and we will check now. We will download to the PLC. Here we can go for downloads, click it OK, and download successful, and click it OK, and again click yes. And so now we will give the signal at our x0.0. So now our first timer is start, and reverse motor also this is start, right? And when this time completed, after delay time start, and after the delay now our 100.1 is start. So when this time will be completed, after this timer will be start for delay, to again this 100.1 needs to start. When that time will be completed, and after this delay time will be start, and now delay time is started. After this 10 seconds started, when this time will be completed, after this time will be start. You can see This is now start and our now 100.1 will be on. So this procedure will be repeated automatically in the program. The same programs you can use in the various machines in the washing projects or any reverse forward or filling projects. Any depends on your logic, but this will be auto condition on and off this reverse forward control. This is the easiest method of the reverse forward control. Hope guys you will be understand about this control. If you not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.